The fight over Sonia Gandhi's TV attack is now getting fierce. Leading the BJP's charge, Arun Jaitley has questioned Congress's agenda, asking that is corruption a part of Hindustaniyat? And responding to Jaitley's jibe, Congress has rallied behind its President Sonia Gandhi, saying that Narendra Modi is leading BJP's sinking ship.
Their ideology, divisive and autocratic, will drive us to the ruination of our Bharatiyata.
Her televised attack on the principal opposition party, paving the way for a heated fight. And leading the BJP's charge is none other than senior leader Arun Jaitley.
Is corruption a part of Hindustaniyat? Is price rise or mismanagement of the economy a part of Bharatiyata? Is corruption a part of, is national security being slackened a part of any form of Bharatiyata?
While both parties are locked in a bitter war of words over Sonia's TV attack, Akalis have escalated the controversy with this comment.
The people of this country are slowly bleeding this party to death. Every week, the opinion polls which come, they show that the Congress numbers fall. Every week that the numbers come, they show that the NDA figures are rising.
But the Congress unwilling to let go without an equally stinging counter.
If this is a man who has a wave in the country, you go and make these, you have these meetings and you say it's not desperate. But when the Congress president talks about the ideology of the party, when the Congress president questions the opposition's ideology and the fundamental difference between the two parties, you are rattled and you run for cover and you come and attack. Please, this is very, it's a mockery.
While they are aggressively defending their party president, political observers believe that even if the Congress wants to drive home a point, a scam-riddled tenure has directly hit its credibility.
The cry for Hindustaniyat is not a bad cry, and it is under challenge. But coming from a Congress president's mouth, it has no credibility today. And to me, it is a sorry thing. It is a sorry thing.
BJP not letting go of the opportunity to lash out at both mother and son, but at the same time also welcoming Priyanka into the electoral fray.
It is very evident to the Congress that neither Mrs. Gandhi nor Rahul are cutting ice with the people. We most heartily welcome Ms. Priyanka Gandhi, actually Ms. Priyanka Vadra, as per Indian tradition, to come into the fray.
Surprisingly, it comes at a time when Priyanka latched on to Battle for Heart of India punchline to defend her mother.
It's very clear what this election is. This is a fight for the heart of India, and they don't like to hear that.
2014 is no more a Rahul versus Modi war. With Priyanka leaping in and Sonia targeting the BJP via her TV attack, the fight is clearly between the Gandhis and Narendra Modi. Bureau Report, Times Now.